Hey guys, welcome to the Excel formulas again. Today we will learn how to multiply and divide values in Excel. Okay, so again, come to the uh, data sheet and start multiplying and division. Okay, so again, for the multiplication purpose, for example, I am interested in multiplying this amount with this one. Okay, so press enter, press equal, then you select this value. Okay, and after this what you are going to do is type the static. Okay, and how can you type it? You have to press shift from your keyboard, press shift and 8, you will find this value. Okay, the static you can find by pressing both the shift and 8 button. Okay, you will find this value. Now you are supposed to select this one. Okay, with which you want to multiply this value, select this one and press enter. Okay, so this is the way how you multiply different values. I think it's very easy. And if you want me to show you the formula here, let me show you the formula as well. Formula text. Okay, and select this one just to see the formula. Okay, so you can see the formula here. Now if you want to divide something, like for example, if you want to divide this value by this value, you are what you are going to do, press equal. Now select the value, this one again, and type the forward slash. Okay, this one you can find just on the left hand side of your shift button in your keyboard, on your left side of the keyboard, and left side of the shift button you can find this forward slash. Okay, and now you select the value with which sorry guys, uh, uh, I just typed a wrong figure. Okay, I want to divide this value by this one, so I'm going to select this one, then forward slash, and now I will select this value. Okay, and will press enter. So you see we found 1000. If you divide this value by this one, that will be equivalent to 1000. And if you want me to show you the formula, you can just type formula text. Okay, and press this one, press enter. So this is the formula for division. Okay, I think it's very easy, and you learn it. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you guys.